Maui faces a rebuilding challenge of historic proportions after the deadly wildfires that killed over 100 people and destroyed a beloved town. And some residents say their toughest opponent may be the Hawaii state government itself. Much of the aid efforts happening in the charred community of Lahaina and elsewhere are community-run because people don't feel as if the government is stepping up fast enough. We're not waiting for our mayor to say we can or can't. We're like, people need help and we're helping them, said Lianne Driessen, who was born and raised on Maui and is Director of Sales and Marketing at Trilogy Excursions, a family-run catamaran tour company based in Lahaina. Her family lost their home in the devastating fire. Trilogy captains and boats didn't hesitate to start rescuing people from the ocean or transport people along the coast during recovery efforts. Many have been frustrated when it comes to the lack of response and continued transparency from state and federal officials in the days following the deadliest U.S. wildfire in over a century. The concern comes after decades of low public trust in the government given Hawaii's history of colonialism and slow-moving bureaucracy. There's a general distrust in the government, said Noelani Ahia, a Maui-born and raised indigenous healthcare professional running for Maui County Council for Wailuku-Waihee this November. She is one of the Native Hawaiian activists on the ground providing mental health support for people with post-traumatic stress disorder from the fires. The government they put in was white supremacy-centered from the assimilation and possession of our land, Ahia said. The government we have now are offshoots of that. Hawaii lost its last reigning monarch in 1893 to a government of non-native American businessmen, plantation owners and politicians. As a remote island chain that must be self-sufficient, the wildfire aftermath is a pivotal opportunity for officials to prove themselves as the community continues to show its resilience, critics say.